So it looks like a blind beaver. Chawed that off. Here's the... I mean, that looks like kind of good wood. But as we go down about 12 feet here, we get to this. I want 12-foot beams. About 11 1/4 by 5 1/2. And I could get 2 maybe out of that. Whether or not they'd remain stable, I don't know. I could sort of get 1 out of this. But I don't know if that punky wood that's got fungi knocking off the 1.5 inches of the edge is going to be good or not. So, I'll take a mill shot over this and we'll see if it's going to work.